Okay, welcome back, and now we're going to talk about degree measures. So what I did was I drew a circle, right? So here's our unit circle, circle. Won't get a unit circle yet. But I did mention earlier about how we had talked about that we can look at radians, right? So the radian is the length of measure, right? And so we know that one revolution around the circle is 2 pi radians, okay, which is the unit of measure that we use. Now we're going to look at degrees, and most of us are familiar that a circle, right, is 360 degrees. So one revolution on a circle is also 360 degrees, okay. So now if we look at this angle theta, and again the initial ray, the initial segment here, the initial side of the angle is at 0 degrees. And the terminal side is going to be at wherever theta lands. And notice that we can split this up into 30 degrees, so 30-degree angle here, and that's 1/12 of the full revolution, or 360 degrees. And then 45-degree angle is 1/8 of the 360-degree revolution. And then likewise, 60 degrees is 1/6 of the 360 degrees. And then finally we have the first quadrant ends at 90 degrees, right? So 90-degree angle, square angle, is 1/4 of the circle, okay? And then it goes on there all the way around, so you can see that it goes from, so we can split this into 30s, right? 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 210, 240, 300, then 330, and then we're back to 0. Okay, and then of course the 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, 315, and back to 0, or 360. Okay, so remember 0 and 360 represent the same angle, right? Okay, these are coterminal angles. Okay, so again, 0 is the starting point, all the way around is 360. Of course, if we go another revolution, that's 720, right? And if we go all the way around again, that's going to be 1080, okay? And so on and so forth. Then again, we could subtract going the other way too, remember? So we could subtract and go negative, right? So in the clockwise direction. So that's that. So again, just realize that this is the way we look at degrees on a circle. Now the relationship between the degrees and radians are given by these two equations here. So 360 degrees, like I said, is equal to 1 revolution, which is the same as 2 pi radians, right? So again, just two different units of measurement. You can either talk about 360 degrees or you can talk about 2 pi radians. Also, we can look at half of a revolution, right? So 180 degrees, which is half the revolution around the circle, is equal to pi radians. And then these two equations together give us these two conversions. So we can look at unit conversions. So we got 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 radians, or we can look at 1 radian is the same as 180 over pi degrees, okay? And so that's going to get us to where we're going to start looking at the conversion factors, and that's going to be the next video. But again, just make sure you memorize these and understand degrees as far as the circle is concerned. All right, have a great day.